said not to touch any treasure. Why did you go back and touch the treasure? I told you it was still cursed. Mortals never fail to surprise me. I'm sorry to say that you probably won't survive the prison of punishment, but you passed the trial at least.
Another living person? Oh, thank the gods! You fell for that dumb tortoise's trick too, huh? Stupid, overgrown reptile. This old ruined prison is filled with restless dead. What do you say we team up to get out of here? Excellent. First, I need to escape this cage. I've analyzed the mechanical structures here, and if you pull that lever over there, it should release me. Ah, sorry. I guess I was wrong about the lever. That's a key. Bring it here.
I wonder how many years his dusty old bones were holding onto that key for.
Here. I want to try that key on the back door of my cell. Thank you.
He'd better not have left us behind.
Hey! This way! Let's move! When I was young, I was always mystified by tales of talking animals. But I wish that damn tortoise never opened its big mouth. God, my luck has been getting worse and worse. I was in a shipwreck. Then I get stuck in that tortoise's damned challenge. What even is this place? I wonder how many years that giant monstrosity has been sending people here to die. Oh, it's so good to taste fresh air again. Thank you for getting me out of there. Now, have you seen any survivors of a shipwreck around? Oh, it's very good to hear that some of the crew survived Theris's disastrous captaincy. But thank you. I will make my way back. Hopefully, avoiding further calamities.
A word before you pass. You found him! Thank you.
It was a daring rescue. She and I braved a treacherous tortoise, cursed treasure, and haunted ruins. Thank you, hero. But you, Theris, you sailed us to our doom. Right into Scylla. This is all your fault. My beautiful ship is wrecked. Not to mention the lives lost.
You're right. It's my responsibility as captain. I'm sorry, Anaxis.
Really? Oh, I must admit, I was expecting an argument.
All I ask is that you build us something to sail home in. We need your skills.
I'll get us home, Captain.
I to nie było.